Hey y'all, Diamond Painted Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? I'm filming these videos back to back, so y'all probably see me in this again. So you will see me in this probably like 2 more times. My name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painted Cajun. Welcome to my channel. Everybody calls me Cajun. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So I have an unboxing today from Craftibly. Everybody ordered it, saw it, whatever. But I'm doing it on my channel today. So if you are interested in this diamond painting, it's a diamond painting. I will leave the link in the description portion of this video. And before I start that, how y'all doing? How's all my people? Y'all doing good? Y'all know I said this in the last 10 videos. No, the last 3. I went on vacation and we're back. And now I'm filming because like a whole bunch of stuff had came in and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do that unboxing for Craftibly. And I have a package as well that I purchased. So these 2 things will be listed in the description portion of this video. And that's where y'all find them. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have not liked my video, please hit the like button and do all those things, you know. So I'm gonna get started with the Craftibly one. And it's this. It's the sea turtle and it's so cute. And it is a 18 by 24 round drill. And I think I'm gonna do this one for Diamond Grandma's event. So something fishy 23. So I don't know what y'all think. Y'all think I should or what? I'm sorry, I moved the camera. Y'all think I should? Because look how cute it is. It has beautiful colors in it and it's a round drill. It's not that big, so I don't think it would take me forever. If I do it, I'll have to like work on this in between the one for her last event, because that was a kind of big one, Gracie the Gardener, and I'm halfway done, almost halfway done with it. And so I'm trying to finish that one because I really want to, because I really it's so cute. It is coming out so cute. I'm gonna show progress videos or shorts on there on here. Yo, one of those days. So we're gonna unbox this. Before I unbox it, I'm gonna read what they said on their note. It says, "Howdy from Texas. We appreciate you supporting our small family business. We love seeing people ordering from around the globe. Please follow us on Instagram and our Facebook, Craftibly group. You will find many updates as they come often. Enjoy your kits and don't hesitate to contact us with any issues. Happy crafting, Rachel, aka Craft Queen." Well, thank you, Rachel. Really appreciate that little note. It's I do have other paintings from Craftibly, but I really think that's a nice touch to put a handwritten note in there. It does take time to write those notes. So we're gonna unbox this thing. And like I said, I'm sure everybody has done unboxings, but I'm not everybody, I'm me. And so yeah, I'm gonna do one. Ooh, and I always love Craftibly's kit because my favorite thing is this little burlap bag. So the Craftibly kits come in painting kits come in a burlap bag, okay? Burlap sack, should I say. It's like a sack. And I'm going to show y'all all the goodies that's in this sack. So, we have purple wax. I don't use this wax, but it's purple. I'm definitely keeping it because I don't have purple. And purple and pink's my 2 favorite colors. So, and we have some washi tape. Oh, I use that though. Oof. I use that a lot. So I use that to section off my canvas. Y'all probably crooked, huh? Yeah. I use that to section off my canvas. We have a purple tray. Look how cute these are. They even got glitter in it. It's a MOSFET tray. Another purple wax. This one's a light purple. Pair of tweezers. Wait, is this a round drill? I thought it was round. It is round. Oh yeah, with Craftibly you do get tweezers. My bad. Okay, so a pair of tweezers. Oh my god, y'all. Pair of tweezers. A diamond painting pin with a 4-placer and a 7-placer. Yeah. And a squishy to go on the end. It goes on the end of the pin. Like that. And they're hard for me to get on, so I'm not even fighting with that. So those are the things you get. Oh wait, and I forgot the most important part. If I can open it. I'm always not prepared, you know. Y'all know me. Y'all should know this already. This one came with a pretty hard cover minder. This is the cover minder. This is the cover minder it came with. I hope y'all could see it. It's so cute and sparkly. It's a heart and it's different colors. I love it. It's so cute. It's got a lot of glitter in it. It's really cute. Has like a, I don't know, it's really cute though. Yeah, that's cute. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Y'all probably could see it better like this, I think. See how cute that is? That's so cute. So I love that. And I like that it comes in a little case. So they're not, you don't lose them and stuff. I like that. Yeah. I love their purple tweezers. They're like the best ever. I always keep them around. They're very useful. It's probably, I'm just probably just gonna keep it in here. All right, so now we're gonna get to get this stuff out of the way. We're gonna get to the actual painting itself. I'm losing my, I can't see. I can't see, I need these glasses. I have real glasses, y'all, just don't like them. Doggone it, I tore it. Oh well. All right, let's see this pretty bad boy. Okay, it comes with tape on it, of course. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try to see. Y'all, for real. Struggle is real today. I still have to focus. And I'm gonna open this. Oh my god, it's freaking cute. All right, so this is a round drill. This is the sticker for it. And it's called Daydream Sea Turtles. And look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I'm gonna show y'all the canvas in a second. But first, it comes with stickers, just general stickers, and another sticker, your start date, your end date. So you can put this in your logbook or on your box or whatever. And these are the colors. These are the colors. It has 60 colors in it. So as you can see, it has 60 colors. And it is a round drill. You can see the colors and look at the sticker. They do have the DMC codes as always. So I'm gonna put that aside right here. And I'm gonna show y'all this pretty painting. See if, hold on, let me see if I can get it to be a little bit flatter. Y'all know I love ocean themed ocean themed canvases, and I love farm canvases, farm related and ocean related, and flowers. I like them all. Okay, so here we have it. Round drill from Craftibly. They have a legend on the top left, and they have a legend on the bottom right. And their canvases are buttery soft. They're really soft. They do have the scalloped and poked edges so that it doesn't come unraveled. There is the thumbnail to this diamond painting. And as y'all can see, the drill field in this diamond painting is very clear. And I love the colors. Look at those beautiful pinks, blues, purples, greens, yellows. I mean, every color of the rainbow and every color you're gonna find under the ocean. Look how beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love sea turtles. Y'all know that. Ocean, sea turtle related fish, all kind of stuff. We just came back from fishing. Y'all know that. I didn't see no sea turtles though. Not at this time of the year. I think they're only like certain times. Beautiful. I mean, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Look how pretty. I love the colors. All their information is down below to share. They have a Facebook, they have an Instagram, and then their guarantees here at the bottom. They do have great canvases and great guarantee. This is the name of the canvas. It's Daydream Sea Turtles, and this is the thumbnail. It's mixed. It's not a lot. It's not confetti heavy. And look at that drill field, y'all. Look at that. Y'all can see those numbers those numbers, letters, symbols, whatever, very clear. Very clearly. It's poured glue. Their canvases are all poured glue. Look at that. Very clear. So stinking cute. These are so adorable. Look at that. Look from far. So cute. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me show y'all the drills, and it already lays flat. It's some good canvases, very good quality. Like I said, it's buttery soft. They're really soft. Love it. It is a round drill, and I'm not going to take the drills out. They do have special drills in here. Let's see. I think they have special drills in here. They have 2 special drills and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. So this canvas has 6 ABs and 2 special drills. So, oh my gosh. I'm not going to take them out, but I'm going to kind of open it to see if I can see them. Sorry for the noise. I know it's annoying. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it up just like it is and put it back just like it is. I want to show y'all the special drills. Oh, okay. So let's see if we can do this without messing it all up. Oh God, I knew it. I knew I'd do that because I'm never going to get this back in. Hold on. Struggle is real. All right. So I should have taped it. But still like this. These are the special drills. There's a purple one and there's white. And it looks to me like whenever, because I do cups with these, it kind of looks like a mermaid tear special drill. These are really pretty. Look at those things. Love it. Love, love, love it. Those are beautiful. Craftibly, I'll get a great job with this. And then these are the colors. And as y'all can tell, they're ocean related colors. They got blues, purples, pinks, different shades of purples, pinks, blues, yellows. I just don't like to take them all out, y'all, because it's something for me to get that back in there. See all those pretty colors? Ocean themed colors. Y'all don't look at my nails. I'm gonna go do them. Yes, so very pretty, and those special drills are amazingly beautiful. I can't wait to see that on this painting, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So let me see if I can get it back just like I took it out. Sorry for the noise. I did. I did. Oh, thank God, because these are hassle to put back. But those are the colors, and it's going to be a very colorful canvas. You know, ocean scenes are very colorful. So, and I can't wait. I don't know where those special drills go. And it is a round drill. Let's see if I can. Okay, so so I said white and purple. So the two sides, oh, okay. So they have some in the like turtle's head. I'm gonna put y'all down so y'all can see, and I'm gonna kind of point them out. I hope y'all could see that. So they have some white ones that are gonna go here. 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 Some here. It's kind of like throughout here. Some here throughout this turtle as well. So those special drills will go there. I don't know if y'all could see that, but doing the best I can, y'all. And then the purple ones. Let's see where if I, oh yeah, look, the purple ones are also gonna go in the turtle here where those circles are, where all those circles are. Here, pretty much in the turtle for those purple ones. And they have a few here. So those are gonna go there. Those special drills. Some here. So yeah, here's a look at the canvas. Again, laying flat. I know it's kind of crooked, y'all, but you know. It's so pretty. Love it. So move y'all back up to me. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Sorry, I had to fix that. I really appreciate y'all watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope everyone has a great week. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.